morning, students. How are you all? Welcome back. Today we will continue with our second chapter, that is scientists and inventions. Now in the chapter we have learned about a few Indian scientists and their contributions. We also studied about Archimedes and the idea about volume, right? Okay, he came up with the concept of volume. Then we did about gravity and air to breathe. We did these picture discussions. Then we learned about how newspapers are made, how pencil is made, right? Okay, understood? So now let's move to activity 7. Open your textbook to page number 16, okay, and come back down to activity 7, my hero scientist. यहाँ पे आपको अपने फेवरेट साइंटिस्ट के बारे में लिखना है. Write the details of your favorite scientist. Discuss the details of the same with your teacher and friends in class. So for now, you will write about your favorite scientist. Okay, you have to write the name of the scientist. So now my favorite scientist is APJ Abdul Kalam. So I will write here APJ Abdul Kalam. If you like some other scientist, you can write about that scientist. Lifespan. You have to write about his life, like what is his date of birth and when was he born. So you can write born on October 15, 1931. You can write born on October 15, 1931. Place origin, you have to write where he was born. Okay, so here you can also write place of birth Rameshwaram. You can write profession also, because here you can write about his profession. So here you can write his profession was aerospace scientist, author and professor. Next you have to write inventions and contributions. What has he invented, what has he contributed, his awards. Okay, so here you can write for APJ Abdul Kalam, you can write worked as an aerospace scientist with DRDO and ISRO, that is Defense Research and Development Organization, and Indian Space Research Organization. He is also known as the Missile Man of India. He worked on development of missiles and launch vehicle technology. He played an important role in Pokhran 2 nuclear tests in 1998. His awards are Bharat Ratna, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan. ठीक है? Understood? He was the 11th President of India from 25th July 2002 to 25th July 2007. Okay? Understood? So I have told you about my favorite scientist. You can write about your favorite scientist. Okay? Here you have to stick a picture of your favorite scientist. So here I will stick a picture of APJ Abdul Kalam. If you like CV Raman, you can write CV Raman. Whatever scientist you like, whichever scientist you want to write about, you can write about. Okay. Now describe the following picture in pairs. So now since we don't have pairs, let us discuss this picture. Okay. Can everybody see the picture? Yes. Can you all see this picture? So what is this picture? This is a picture of a classroom. ये classroom का picture है, right? Okay. The teacher is standing behind the table. She has short hair. There is a book in her hand. Okay. So there is a book in her hand. She is standing behind the table. She has short hair. Okay. There are two books on the table. Can you see? Okay. There is an apple on the table. Everybody can see an apple on the table. There are three boys sitting in front of the table. There are three boys sitting in front of the table, right? Can you all see the three boys? Yes. They are sitting on chairs. What are they sitting on? Chairs. The first boy is looking at the book in the teacher's hand. The first boy is looking at the book. First boy किसको देख रहा है? Book को. ठीक है? The second boy is looking at the ceiling. जो second boy है वो ऊपर देख रहा है ceiling के तरफ, है ना? And the third boy is looking at the other two boys. और ये third boy है इन दोनों के सामने देख रहा है. Right? Right? Understood all of you? So this is what the picture is telling. There is a teacher who is teaching. The boys are sitting in front of the teacher. One is paying attention. One is looking at the ceiling. One is looking at his friends. There are two books. There is a chair. You can also write the boys are wearing, two boys are wearing blue t-shirt, or the one boy is wearing red t-shirt, one is wearing a green shirt, right? So, and then you can write there is a red book, there is a yellow book. Okay, understood all of you? Understood? Now let's move on to activity number 9. Fill in the gaps. You have to fill in the gaps. Okay, so first one, let's read. Okay, Ravi blank a boy. What is the answer over here? Ravi is a boy. He lived with his mother. He lived with his mother. One day they decided to go to Delhi, right? One day they decided to go to Delhi. Ravi was late from school. Mother told Ravi to get ready, right? They reached the station and learned that the train was late. They reached the station and learned that the train was late, right? Now let's do the second one. Little Sunita blank 3 friends. Little Sunita has 3 friends. Okay, all of them are younger to her. All of them are younger to her. They went blank play cricket on a bright sunny day. They went to play cricket on a bright sunny day. Suddenly Sunita dash tired and hungry. Sunita felt tired and hungry. The girls decided to go home. Okay, the girls decided to go home. Understood all of you? Yes. Now let's move to the next activity. Activity 10, what would you like to become in life? Think and share your dreams and ambitions with your friends in a group and then write about it in a space provided below. आप अपने लाइफ में क्या बनना चाहते हैं आपको सोचना है और उसके बारे में यहाँ पे लिखना है. So when you grow up, what do you want to become? You can write that when I grow up I want to be a doctor. When I grow up I want to be a teacher. When I grow up I want to be a soldier. When I grow up I want to be a pilot. When I grow up I want to be a astronaut. Whatever you think of, you can write over here. Okay, I hope this is clear to all of you. Yes, with this we complete today's chapter. I hope everybody has understood this. Thank you students. Take care.